Hi Insta, hey entrepreneurs. This is X Peopletainment from outside. We came outside today and having coffee. It's not coffee, it's chai, desi chai. So today, what we're gonna talk? Okay, today is day 23. Arigato. What I'm going to discuss today is all about why I push you guys towards meditation, how it benefited me when I consistently when I did meditation since last 2 years. Okay, so I'm going to discuss my experiences through meditation in my life. Light band kar diya, I guess you can see me. I will share you my personal experience and I will share you my professional business experiences through meditation, how it helped me. Okay, say example, during this years of doing meditation, how it helped me in personal life. Sometimes I don't know what is out there, I don't know how to judge it, and I don't know how to take a decision. So when I sit in a meditation, what will happen? I get a solution. What are the problems which I struggle to take a decision, which I struggle to come to a conclusion, and that solution will come into my mind when I do meditation. Okay, example, you know right, सारे लड़कियों को शादी करनी होती है, एक एज आ गया, right? Obviously we look for partners and everything, and I was looking for a partner. People are approaching me and I don't know that person is right for me or not. But my intuition was saying something is wrong. I will not go with that person. I will not consider him as my life partner. Okay? Trust me, after some time, after talking and everything, I got to know he's not the right person. He's not even a right person. दूर की बात है. So this intuition, I got it through meditation. If I don't do meditation, if I don't talk to myself, I don't understand how to read my intuition, definitely I would have trusted him, I would have go with him, I would have started a relationship which never gonna go in a positive way. Before even starting, I just realized it through the power of meditation. I just made my mind through my intuition. अगर आपको समझ आ रहा है, मैं एक डिसीजंस लेने से पहले कंफ्यूजन्स थी. थ्रू मेडिटेशन आई कैन क्लियर आउट दैट कंफ्यूजन. एक अच्छे रास्ते पे जाने के लिए दिस मेडिटेशन हेल्प्स मी. दिस इज माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट माई प्रोफेशनल, माई बिजनेस एक्सपीरियंसेस इन 2020, बिफोर न्यू ईयर से पहले, I want to take a different perspective in my life. I want to quit everything and start something new, and that was my intuition keep on coming to me, and I didn't even think. I quit everything whatever I was doing and I start my new life, and today 5 months down the line I launched a company. I am coaching meditation. My YouTube channel is growing well. Okay, so day before yesterday I was doing meditation. The post which I have posted in Facebook, success, what is success? So that came to me, that all the points which I have written, that came to me while I was doing meditation. Go check out my Facebook post or Instagram post. In day before yesterday's post, you can see. So those are my intuition, business intuition, which comes to me when I do meditation. ये पहले दिन से नहीं हुआ. It took time. First day, second day, third day, and 2 years down the line, I can read my intuition without any effort. Okay? So maybe understanding this थोड़ा सा difficult होगा और मैं अच्छा सा नहीं बता पा रही हूँ. Please understand my intent. Meditation can help you to come out of the confusion, to take a better decisions in personal life, in business life. It's been with me like this. The pattern is like this. I have changed my bad habits into good habits because of meditation. I have changed. I have come out of bad circle into a good circle. I am creating my own good circle. I am attracting more good people into my life because of my meditation consistent practice. So that is why I decided to make this video every single day. This is day 23 Arigato, to push you guys to start a meditation every single day, at least for 5 to 10 minutes. 6 months, 1 year, 2 years down the line, you will have wonderful life. You will lead less confusion life. You will lead less stressful life. And that is what I am going through right now, and I'm feeling amazing, and that is what I want you to have it. Trust me, this is the real power to have it. Okay, so this is S Peopletainment day 23 Arigato, and I'll see you on day 24 Arigato video. I am outside sitting in a nice cafe, enjoying my chai. बहुत दिन के बाद बाहर आई हूँ. I'm enjoying my chai. I hope you too enjoy well. Keep meditating and keep taking good decisions. Attract more good people in your life. Attract money. Attract joyful life. That's all I can say today. I'll see you on day 23 Arigato. Take care and bye-bye.